Today, the journey begins. We transform the forest's bounty into the products of tomorrow.
Next load coming down.
Make sure those are tight. Get the scanner ready.
The quality looks excellent. Yes, very smooth. It's approved.
The brightness levels are fluctuating slightly on Tower 3. Adjust the peroxide dose by 0.2%. We need consistent whiteness. Check the flow rate on gauge 7.
Looks steady. The formation is excellent.
The moisture levels are stabilizing now. Good, let's increase the speed by 5%.
Check the consistency levels on tank 4. The moisture is fluctuating.
Adjusting the flow rate now, it should stabilize.
Moisture content is stable.
The thickness looks good. Bamboo run is a success.
The diameter is exactly on target. Confirmed. The tension looks good too.
High-speed vision inspection systems scan every toilet paper roll, tissue stack, and napkin bundle for thickness, softness, and embossing quality. The stability looks good. Confirmed. Approved for shipping and inventory updated. The inventory software shows everything is on schedule for the export manifest.
Perfect. Ensure the tissue packs are routed to loading bay 3 first.
Intelligent warehouse software automatically schedules shipments. The export department is extremely busy as global distribution officially begins.
Did the GPS activate on trailer 42? Green light is blinking. We are good to seal it.
We have confirmation on the final load for the 1% Hermes.
Good. Clear them for departure sequence.
The factory supports healthcare every day. Hygiene begins with premium manufacturing.
Luxury hotels and fine dining restaurants receive premium bamboo napkins and facial tissues. Staff carefully arrange elegant napkins on dining tables while housekeeping teams prepare guest rooms.
All metrics are green across the board. Whiteness, durability, and softness confirmed.
Perfect. Approved for export.
Powerful pulping machines convert unused paper back into reusable pulp, while organic bamboo waste becomes biofuel pellets.
We have an alert on the hydraulics in Sector 4. Reroute the shipment to Line B immediately.
We have confirmation on the Malaysian components.
Good. The client is asking for the updated ETA.
Matrons. Digital environmental systems monitor emissions, electricity usage, and water quality in real time.
Sustainable natural resources become soft hygiene products. Modern technology creates remarkable value. The journey is unforgettable.
The bamboo biomass conversion looks good.
Yes, and the water recycling rate just peaked for the hour.
Cargo ships, freight trains, transport trucks, and cargo aircraft transport millions of cartons of bamboo toilet paper.
Ensure the new growth remains untouched by the harvesters.
Already instructed the team. We are on schedule for the next shipment.
Inside modern homes, families open freshly packaged bamboo toilet paper and place the soft rolls inside beautifully designed bathrooms.
Guests experience exceptional softness and premium quality throughout their stay.
Domains. Modern hospitals receive large shipments of bamboo tissue products for patient rooms, operating areas, waiting lounges, and health.
These napkins are incredibly soft, aren't they?
They really enhance the whole experience.
From bulk deliveries organized by facility management to diverse workers appreciating the soft bamboo paper, every office depends on reliable hygiene supplies.
At the International Shipping Terminal, towering cranes load thousands of export containers filled with bamboo hygiene products.
Check the biomass conversion rate on line 3.
Looks optimized. We are maintaining zero waste targets.
The water treatment facility is recycling at peak capacity, and emissions are well below target. We are operating responsibly.
The harvesting yield in Sector Gamma is up by 12%. The AI adjusted the pulping speed accordingly.
Delivering sustainable bamboo essentials to families worldwide every single day.
From office buildings to airports, our dedicated teams ensure premium hygiene is always available, keeping essential services running smoothly.
Distributions. Luxury hotels and international airlines receive premium bamboo tissue products through specialized commercial distributors.
Digital environmental monitoring systems track emissions, electricity usage, and water quality in real time.
Cargo ships, freight aircraft, railway networks, and heavy transport trucks deliver millions of cartons of bamboo toilet paper.
Modern engineering unlocks the hidden value inside every bamboo tree. Renewable forests become soft hygiene products.
Sustainable harvesting guarantees future production. Nature continuously renews itself. The manufacturing cycle never ends.
We are tracking at 99% material reuse this quarter.
The bamboo conversion rate is key to that success. Thousands of rooftop solar panels generate clean electricity, while energy-efficient motors operate giant digesters and tissue-converting machines. Engines. A dramatic cinematic comparison shows fresh green bamboo forests and soft white toilet paper.
The South American shipments are on schedule.
Good. Reroute the excess to the European hub.
The pulp consistency is stable across all 3 digesters. Good, let's increase the flow rate by 5%. Nature and technology build a greener future together. Sustainable innovation benefits the entire world. The bamboo industry continues to grow.